Do you have anything on you?
No, I just have tissues.
Newly released body cam video of a teacher busted for allegedly having sex with an underage student multiple times in her classroom.
Can you just show us where in the room the sexual activity took place?
And let me tell you, this body cam video is shocking because this teacher did not hold back when explaining to deputies what she allegedly did, and boy, does she go into detail. We're on the case presented by Law&Crime. I'm Stewart. Guys, not only is this body cam video shocking because we are talking about a teacher who's accused of allegedly having sex with an underage student on school property, specifically in her classroom, but court records also say that this teacher told the boy that she would leave her husband for him when he turned 18 years old. She is 37.
A little bit further if you can. All right, I'm going to start with your hair, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Get wrong.
Yeah.
Now, the teacher you see here being patted down in a high school hallway is Heather Mashburn-Smith, and she taught English at Port Charlotte High School in Florida. Deputies were called to the school because a message came in on an app. It's an app that allows parents to communicate with school district staff, and the message was allegedly about Mashburn having sex with a student.
Nobody's been in it.
Okay. This is video of deputies entering a classroom with Mashburn. Now, deputies also spoke with the alleged victim in this case. He's 17 years old, and the boy told them that Mashburn had sex with him twice in her classroom, allegedly once on a desk and once on a chair. The student said this relationship became sexual after he was allegedly put on a group chat on Snapchat with Mashburn and a friend. He reportedly said that he told Heather that he thought she was pretty. It reads, quote, Heather then asked to come meet her in her classroom to talk about the messages. He said he complimented her during the conversation and they spoke about the group texts. Now, deputies ask Mashburn what happened, and they read her Miranda rights, and she tells them and she shows them a lot.
Can you just show us where in the room the sexual activity took place?
Yeah. So,
Without trying not to touch anything, I realize it's been a while, like 9 days or so,
yeah.
but
It felt farther back here, but these desks might have just been moved farther this way. But I feel like it was these desks.
okay. And just for the record, after the sexual activity occurred, you had wiped these desks down with Clorox?
Just this one
That one?
and like the floor area, but I don't know why everything seems so different. It seemed like it was like more here that it happened,
Okay.
not here.
Okay.
So I think everything shifted a little bit.
Might just get slid.
Everything slides a lot during the day because the kids don't push their chairs out, they push
Right.
the desk forward. So the desks get moved around a lot, but I think these might have just been moved farther because originally I was thinking it was those, but that doesn't make sense to me.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure it was these ones.
And is this the one where he had just put the in, or is this, okay. And then where else, where was the other actual?
Like right here in a chair.
What chair? Oh, like would it be a student chair?
Yeah, it was just a random chair.
Okay, so it's not this one that's pointing right there towards
Oh, no.
towards the mirror.
Okay. Alright. And so I know you stated you were on top of him. Were you facing or facing away?
I was facing him.
Facing him, and were you facing this back
So
wall, side wall?
I was facing this way and he was facing that way. The chair was facing that way.
Okay.
So I was like sitting on top of him.
Okay. And then regarding the digital and the where would that have happened?
Everything happened right here.
Kind of right in this same area.
Mhm.
Okay. Were these desks always involved? Like you're just leaning on, or?
I mean, I guess you can say sometimes we leaned on them, yeah. But, I mean, as far as the intercourse goes, that was This was the desk
Okay.
I laid back on.
And was the desk, I assume, oriented the same way, although maybe slid over?
Slid over.
Okay, and did you lay on it from the front this way, from the back this way, or from the side?
This way.
Okay, okay. And he would have stood here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. During the actual sex part.
So I'm going to pause this video right here. You have Mashburn, who is explaining to deputies where alleged sexual abuse happened in her classroom. And she is being very specific about it. She is going into very, very explicit detail. And frankly, it's too graphic to talk about right here. So we're going to pick this video up right after she finishes that description.
And where were you waiting for whenever you guys would coordinate the meet in the class? After planning period or after his football?
Just at my desk.
Just at your desk?
And then when he would come from football, there was like once or twice where I put a book in the door so that he could just come in. But all the other times he had to knock and I had to let him in. So I would have to walk over to the door to let him in.
Okay.
And it's not like I let him in and we just like went right to it or anything. Like,
No, you guys,
would hug and talk and
Kissing and all.
Yeah.
The whole night.
like I said, it was not premeditated sex.
Okay, similar to what we did with that interview, the second interview after you've written the letters and stuff, I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions. First of all, did we promise you anything?
No.
Are you here giving this information of your own free will?
Yes.
Okay. Did we make any threats or coercion of any kind? Okay. And you understand that you're still under oath and everything that you told us is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Is that true?
Yes.
Okay. And you've already been advised of your rights, is that true?
Yes.
Okay, all right. And just final recap, everything that you've told us in here has been information that you freely and voluntarily gave, understanding your rights.
Yes.
Okay, all right. All right, cool, that's it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and head back. You can keep going.
Hey guys, real quick, before we get into this episode of On the Case even more, I want to talk about personal information online. And you may not realize just how many websites have your personal info and the fact it is being bought and sold on the internet. We're talking your phone number, address, health information, even your social security number. Now, thankfully, Incogni can help. It can remove data from more than 420 data broker sites on autopilot. With web monitoring for exposed data, they can find it and remove it from data broker sites for you. There's no need to lift a finger. And with Incogni's new exposure scanner, it lets you decide what to remove after they've found your personal information somewhere. The risk assessment also gives you insights on protecting your privacy. I used Incogni myself, and I was shocked to see my private data was on dozens of sites. I'm talking more than 90. Now, thankfully, Incogni was able to automatically remove that data within days. The truth is, they can't harm you. If they can't find you, use code OTC at the link below and get 60% off an annual plan, incogni.com/OTC.
We're gonna head right back out.
I used to do some writing to clear my thoughts after sometimes when things would happen. And I might have like a piece of writing in a folder on my desk. Am I allowed to get that? Because I don't want like a student or a teacher or something coming across.
where would it be?
I won't touch it, but I'll show you. And there's a folder here, like right here.
This
folder.
dark colored folder?
Yeah.
Okay. And you think that has...
There's
that might
nothing
have
like
something-
graphic in it, but it's just like thoughts that I would write as if I were writing to him.
Okay.
To
But I never,
who?
but I would never like give it to him. Like I really just want to throw it in the trash. It's not anything that.
What were you
I just don't
No,
want someone
but,
to come
I mean,
across it.
It's hers, so. Do you want to, in our presence, do you want to open that folder and show us what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Adam?
I just stuck it in here because I thought it would be.
Are these pages the ones that we're talking about?
These right here. Yeah. This stuff that I wrote. I write in my spare time, so it's not.
You're an English teacher, yeah.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
Am I allowed to keep these or dispose of them or?
May I?
Yeah. It's not something I even said I don't think I'll ever give them to you.
So they were to him, just regarding what your feelings
but like
were?
not. It was to him.
I understand.
But not to him.
I get it.
Like a diary.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So, we are not just gonna leave these here, but I can't just let you take them away, okay? They're gonna fall under the search warrant, okay? So, for now, we're just gonna leave them right here, but I assure you, we're not just gonna leave them for students or staff members to find, okay? We'll take them, we'll seize them, and that'll be part of it, okay?
Okay.
Is there anything else that you can think of that's in here that might be something that you don't want other people stumbling across? There were no toys or anything that were used during the whole time, nothing like that. Okay, just something I figured I'd ask.
Yeah.
You never know. Okay.
I mean, my desk is full of trash, but
I'm not worried about trash. Just something that we don't want.
I mean,
people...
full of papers and just like I'm sure there's confidential stuff in there, but nothing about him.
Okay. Okay. All right.
There's definitely confidential like stuff, but nothing that has to do with him.
When you say confidential stuff,
Like student-related things and
anything that would be criminal in nature.
no, just like stuff that we're not supposed to let other students see. Like
I see. Okay.
yeah,
But that's stuff that school administration could handle.
yeah,
Correct.
yeah, and then just personal items and things.
Okay. All right. Well, we're not. So we're gonna step out here at this point. We're gonna step out to the hallway, please. We're not gonna be taking anything out of here other than it's not the time for personal.
Back shelf on the mic. I just wanted you to point. I know he's still talking, but so there was some. What's
Oh, yeah.
okay? I just yeah.
Yeah, she told us.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was like.
So it appears Mashburn is being very forthcoming with officers. Even with messages, she says that she deleted from her computer. The next part of the body cam that we're going to show you here is when she first entered the classroom and she opens up her email. She puts up on a projector screen messages she says she deleted from her computer, but she's showing them to deputies and she is passing them along to them to help in their investigation.
Okay, that's the IP.
This is the IP.
Can you scroll up? All right, so I see it's from Hi, and the email address assigned to it is the message states, I know it's bro. And this came through Parent Square, sent via a form on the Port Charlotte High School website. Parent Square is not responsible for the contents and assumes no liability for the message. And you had put this message in trash, correct?
Yes.
Okay, are you willing to forward this message to the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office?
Yes.
Okay.
Your email.
Yeah.
Here, I have a card. It's easier to type. I have 2 last names. So just the email address.
Perfect. Not at this time. I don't have anything to compare it to. Correct. And the time frame. Not the specific date, but it's been like 2 weeks.
Does that look right?
Yep, that's it. Fair enough. So, thank you. All right. And that was the only thing you needed to show us?
Yeah, let me just make sure I haven't gotten anything else weird. Oh, here's another one.
All right, this one is, so this is from phone 1, message, why boys bra, submitted from IP address 172.56.18.98, comma, 10.0.10.59. Sent through the same application form on the Port Charlotte website. Can you forward that as well? To the same address.
Hopefully it's saved, so you don't have to type all of it. Oh.
There, you put a T in between the F and L.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
Okay.
And then
If you would
I
just,
could check my, I guess, legal clutter, but I don't think, yeah, there's nothing weird in here.
if you would just go ahead and lock the computer then.
Yeah, can I just log out of it? Is that okay? Or
Rather
like
you
close
can
it?
just lock it down.
Okay.
Whatever you had, however you found it is how I prefer you to leave it.
Okay.
The alleged victim in this case told deputies that he felt like having a sexual relationship with Mashburn was wrong. He said that things became sexual with the teacher for roughly 4 to 5 weeks. Mashburn allegedly told deputies that the victim made her feel special and, quote, desired. Now, the victim, though, he was the one who tried to break things off with her. Quote, Heather told him that she was not in a good marriage and that she wanted to leave her husband and be with him. We're talking about the alleged victim once he turned 18. The victim also said that Heather, a 37-year-old married English teacher, was, quote, angry that he wanted to end their relationship. Now, this is the moment that deputies put her in handcuffs.
Are you gonna want to keep your sweater on or get it on?
If that's okay.
Okay, yeah, just roll up your sleeves then. That's all I was gonna ask. It's just so, yeah, just roll up your sleeves.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, just turn around for me.
Then you did the 5, right?
By 5.
It's not gonna be very comfortable.
You still talking?
DT.
Okay.
This one's a little tight.
Yeah, I heard you. Give me 1 second, sorry.
Something from light bulb.
You didn't go through.
You did. Central from light bulb. Please add Wi-Fi 139.
Good.
Yeah.
Who's primary on the 15? Those two, or just show them to the 15 also.
Fernandez is primary.
Can you roll my sleeves back down? Can you roll my sleeves back
Well,
down?
Sure.
Fernandez will be his 10-15. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's roll.
I'm just taking my stuff.
451 for you.
Oh,
451, got it.
Come on, go back.
You're good with that plus Anderson. Okay, all right, yeah, if you're working on that, any fruits of the crime? Any additional fruits of the crime?
cut through the building or around? You gonna cut through the building or around? I guess we'll go around. Yeah, I can do that. Hey, if you want to hang tight in here, I'll pull my car up to this gate. Because there's football practice and stuff going on. Got crime scenes here also. Grab them seatbelts on there too, would you?
Yep. Is that okay? And once you get moving, you'll get a little bit more air back here too.
Heather Mashburn-Smith was charged with unlawful activity with certain minors. The charge was enhanced to a first-degree felony because of her position as a teacher. She was arrested on April 29th of this year. Now, in response to her arrest, the Charlotte County Public Schools superintendent said this, quote, "The actions of this individual are a direct violation of the duty every educator owes to students and families. We will not tolerate anything that compromises student safety. This individual has been placed on administrative leave as we work closely with law enforcement and pursue full accountability. Our focus remains on protecting our students and responding decisively." And then you have the Charlotte County Sheriff who added this, quote, "What this woman has done is not just unlawful, it is damaging to the students and staff around her. Teachers are meant to be people that students can trust and seek out for mentorship, guidance, and encouragement. This individual took advantage of that vulnerability and preyed on one of the people she was entrusted to protect. We take that very seriously in Charlotte County, and I applaud my major crimes detectives for their quick and appropriate actions to intervene, investigate, and make an arrest." Now, at the time of this recording, Mashburn-Smith, according to online court records, is still locked up in the Charlotte County Jail. She does have a case management hearing scheduled for August 25th. That will do it for this episode of On the Case, presented by Law&Crime. Subscribe to us on YouTube and Spotify, and we're also streaming on Peacock. I'm Chris Stewart. We'll see you next time.